Welcome back to the channel, fat boys. Today is another glorious day out in Virginia, mountain back roads, and today we are going to be taking the infamous back of the dragon. I know it's not tail of the dragon, but it's the back of the dragon. It is one of the windiest roads up here where I'm living. It is only about an hour and a half away, so we are going to be having some fun, exploring what is to offer, and just enjoying the scenery. Let's see what the back really has to offer. Here we go. Back of the dragon. Prohibited vehicles over 35 feet. So as I'm going through this is going to be my first time going here, exploring what's happening around here. But with that being said, I'm not here to win any races. I'm not here to set any speed records or anything. I'm not here to drag me especially. I'm here just to see the open mountain roads, relax, and enjoy the views. And man, even the ride over here was gorgeous. I decided not to take any highways. I decided just to take nothing but the back roads, and it was absolutely perfect. I thought that was gorgeous and even a little bit windy. So I can't wait to see what this has in store for us. Still only the opening of it, and I've looked at the maps of it, and both the very beginning and the very end of it are not too crazy. They're nice and relaxed, but all through that center, it apparently does not like to let up on you. Plus the roads are just a little bit wet, so we're not gonna be going too fast through here. Man, I can already see all these rocks, just straight facing, just straight cliffs. So pretty. I remember living down in Florida. I used to be jealous of the people that this used to be in their backyard, but I guess I can't be too jealous anymore because now this is considered like my backyard. Dreams really do come true, people. Dreams really do come true. So if you're new to the channel, thank you for clicking on this video. Hopefully you enjoy it. Make sure you go and hit that subscribe button down below so you know when the next video comes out and you can keep on watching. And if you like this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'm really appreciative for anyone that does that. But if you are a long-time viewer of the channel, you may know I really love teaching people how to ride a motorcycle, and I'm really all about the slow game turning of motorcycles and being able to handle a heavy motorcycle really slowly and in sharp turns. So for that is why I'm very happy why I do all that, and I practice my motorcycle on all those super slow turns and handling my motorcycle for roads just like this. I'm so excited to finally put my skills to the use, really be hammering through on everything. So excited. I also got my GPS right here on me, so that way I can see when I have all these sharp turns and how sharp the turn is coming up, because I love being able to look as far ahead as possible even when I can't see. A little smart tip for any of you new riders out there. And if you are a new rider, since I also like to teach, I have a whole playlist, and it's gonna be right up here in this corner for y'all. So make sure you go ahead and watch that whenever you get the free chance. Oh my God, guys, just going through these valleys is so gorgeous, especially in the fall season. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, and you got all these amazing colors coming through. Oh, here we go. I'm starting to see the road get really curvy up ahead. Everyone up here is so freaking nice on their motorcycle. Everyone throws down the peace sign. So nice. Oh my Lord, guys, look at that view. Hot damn. Oh my God. Oh, here comes loves the curvies. Oh my God. I still don't know how I ever lived in Florida and enjoyed riding a motorcycle. This is by far the best ride I have ever had in my entire life. Not just this road, but also the way to get out here is also just so freaking gorgeous. Oh my God, man. Oh, this is so beautiful. I think with this turn makes more turns I have made in a month of living here up in Virginia than I have an entire year of riding down in Florida. Awesome. I love it. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see my phone, all the curves coming up. Oh my God, why have I not moved up here sooner? I really am going down the downhill way. So if you guys are from this area and you know any other really good rides that you'd like to recommend, please write them down in the comment section below, because I would love to go exploring more and taking in all of your suggestions and be happy to do more videos and all that stuff. If you have anything else you want videos made of, let me know too. Be happy to do it. Love doing this stuff for you guys. God, man, this is just so freaking amazing. Little chipmunk! Little chipmunk! Oh my God. I know I'm not saying much, but it's because I'm really trying to focus on this road that I don't know too much. Guys, if you ever get the chance to come on out here, this is great. Highly recommend it. Oh my God. This is so freaking beautiful. This is what dreams are made of right here, people. God, if that doesn't show you how old I am, I don't know what will. Ooh, scraping. Something that's different about this bike compared to the Fat Bob. For scraping, the way I would like to put my feet is I actually put my heels just a little bit lower on the Fat Bob, because then I would feel my boot start to catch and grind just a little bit. So that would tell me I'm getting really close to beginning to scrape. But on here, man, you just start to scrape. There's no way to be able to tell. You just scrape and you got to be careful with how hard you're going to come in on that scrape. Let's do a little bit of story time, shall we? Well, we got another 14 miles to go, and it has to do with you guys sharing your story too. I'd love to hear it. So let's talk about how and why I started getting into riding motorcycles. And I'm curious, what got you guys started into riding motorcycles? Was it your family? Was it because you weren't able to afford a car right away, so you decided to get a motorcycle because that would be cheaper? Or whatever. What just made you want to get into motorcycling and start it? With me, I ended up starting riding motorcycles because at my previous job, I was going to be moving to a place where it was only 1.5 miles away from where I worked. And the car I have doesn't get the best gas mileage. So I wanted something that would honestly be really good for a little bit more in-town stuff and would have really good gas mileage in comparison to a car. And maybe also have a little bit of fun. And so I started looking into bikes. And as a side note for how I started to get turned on to bikes was because as I am also a videographer and photographer, one of the YouTubers that I was following, Potato Jet, I saw that he started to do this thing called motovlogging for like an episode, and just happened to be at just the right time in my life to where I was looking, and he posted something about that as like a quick little clip, and I was like, oh man, that's really cool. I'm really interested in that. What is this? And he mentioned how good gas mileage was on motorcycles, which I never thought about. I'm like, oh, that makes a lot of sense. And so I started looking at the MSF class. I was like, oh, that's not that bad. I went over to my local Harley-Davidson dealership, went and talked to them. They sized me up, and I was like, cool. I immediately that night went and signed up for an MSF class. As I left, I ended up buying a little Sportster right after my MSF class. And so that's what got me into it, man. Interestingly enough, what got me into the motorcycle lifestyle was the fact that I was really interested in wanting to save money. Little did I know, this is an endless hobby to where you're constantly dumping money into it. Would I ever change anything? No. But gas-wise, I save a lot of money. So now I can tell I'm starting to come to the end of the back of the dragon. I don't think there's too much crazy stuff happening else more on the rest of this trip. Starting to slow down. So hopefully you enjoyed the ride. Hopefully you've never seen it before. You finally got to see what's offered here up in the Virginia area. You get to see the back of the dragon instead of the tail of the dragon, which everyone talks about. I'm gonna try and hit all of the dragon places coming up because there is the head, the tail, the back, and the claw. Definitely gonna be trying to hit up all of those sometime within the year. So we'll definitely stick around for all that so you guys can see what all the dragons have to offer. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up, guys. It really does help out the channel when you do that. Really lets other people know that you like this video. It lets me know that you like this video, that I'm making the right content for you. And also, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. It lets you know when I post out a next video, and that way if you enjoyed this content, you can always be coming back for more. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.